All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. The part two of my vlog talking about my student visa in Canada. So, it's, ano, I enrolled to a course, BSBA, for 2 years in the School of British Columbia ano, in the School of UVic, the University of Victoria, located in British Columbia, Canada. So, dati, kumbaga, maraming nakaka-afford nitong course na to, the BSBA, because the tuition deposit is only 100,000 pesos lang po. The other course kasi, it's very expensive. So, marami ang nag enroll nito. So what I did is I enrolled to this course last September 2020, no, December, last 2022 December. And um I started to complete my requirements, and then my agent told me na babayaran ko raw dapat yung second agent fee na 50,000 para sa husband ko. So, so kaming dalawa, kung pupunta kami, tag 50K kami. So, ang first na binayad ko is 50K. And then, sa pag-start yun na yun para sa akin. And then, nakastart na ko sa aking agent. And then, sila yung nag-assist sa akin para makapag-enroll doon sa UVic. And then, sabi niya, you have to gather your documents, the the home ties kailangan matibay. Sabi niya sa akin, kailangan yung home ties ko kasi wala akong titulo na bahay, titled house. Wala din akong titled lot. Wala din kaming car na pwedeng maging home ties mo at wala din kaming babies. So, sabi niya, what if daw yung bahay na lang daw ng husband ko, gagawa kami ng gagawa kami ng kasulatan na ibigay sa akin, sa amin, para yun yung maging home ties namin. So, yes, we talk about it, and then we tell it to my husband's parents, and then they said, okay, we will do that. Next thing daw is yung mag-sponsor sa akin. So, we agreed na hahanap kami ng mag-sponsor sa akin na ninong. May nahanap kami, but hindi natuloy kasi sabi nila wala na daw silang pera sa bank nila. So, hindi natuloy yun. So, sabi ko sa agent ko, para na yan, ma'am. Di, yun daw pwede. Dili daw pwede. So, naghanap kami at wala kaming nahanap na mag-sponsor. Kasi the money, the, what they call this one, the, the show money, it should be 2 million kasi dalawa kami. Wala kaming nahanap na relatives namin na pwede magpahiram sa amin ng ganun kalaki. So, umabot na lang ng 2024, mga July 2024, sabi ng agent ko na, mag-lodge tayo by August kay para September ready na. Like that. Sabi ko sa kanya, ma'am, hindi talaga kami nakahanap ng show money, wala kaming nahanap na show money at wala kaming nahanap na magsa-sponsor sa'min. Tsaka, 'di puwede 'yan, masasayang yung ano, binayad namin, ma-forfeit. Yun nga, hindi natuloy mga mi, kasi nawala na din akong gana. Talking about the tuition I paid, hindi na yun mababalik sa inyo. Forfeit na yun. Pero may exempted. If na-lodge mo tapos na-reject ka sa lodge mo, pwede yun ma-refund sa'yo. Hindi din talaga ako nag-lodge kasi kulang yung mga requirements ko at nawala na yung sigla. Kasi nga nag-change na din ng policy ang Canada. So maybe it's not for me. I hope everyone will kung I hope everyone kung nasundan na ninyo, kung nasimulan na ninyo, na, nyo na, kung nasimulan nyo na, you can still do it. But the question is, smooth ba yung processing nyo? Kasi sa amin parang hindi. Parang ayaw ng panahon sa amin. Kasi lahat na ginawa namin pero wala eh. Parang ayaw ng time para sa amin. Kasi sabi ko syempre nagpe-pray kami. Sabi ko sa Lord niya, Lord, please give it to us if it is ka nang makakapagbigay ng good life sa aming mag-asawa, di ba? Pero pag sabihin natin Canada, di ba ang Canada napakagandang country especially for the couples, for the married couples, for the family. Pero sa amin, yung application namin parang hirap. Parang pino-force namin yung bagay na hindi para sa amin. And it makes us very hard to continue it. Maybe it's not the right time and maybe it's not for us. No? Maybe if pinagpatuloy namin doon, maybe hindi madali. Hindi madali kasi hindi pala yun sa amin. So we listen to the signs na hindi pala kaya, maybe it's not for us and maybe it's not the right time. We listen to the signs na binigay sa amin ng Diyos. So, what we did is to give up about the money, forfeit about the money kung we are rich. No, we're not. We are not rich. Actually, the money that I paid for that tuition is the money is the money na nakuha ko kasi nag-loan ako for that. Sayang ba? Of course, sayang. But kung sayang, hindi na ba pwedeng magpatuloy? Tuloy pa rin. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay. I think it as a loss, but I will make it as a lesson. Mahirap kasi yung chance na yun will make us um ma yung chance na yun na ginawa namin makakapagbigay sana ng karangyaan sa amin kasi katulad din kami ninyo or katulad din ko kayo na gustong makipagsapalaran doon kasi may future yung job at saka malaki ang sahod. But again, maybe it's not for us and yun. We need to accept the fact na lang na the fact. I need to accept the fact na I lost it. At least, hindi, hindi na lost yung marriage. Hindi na lost yung um, mental mindset or the mental state. Kasi baka pag tinuloy namin, finurse namin doon, makakarating doon pero pahihirapan kami sa mga work, like hindi like that ba? Maybe, no? All things work together for good. So, yun yung iniisip ko. I think it as positive. Hindi ko iniisip na sayang, though sayang. I know God has another plan and I need to accept it. But before I accept it, ang daming luhang nasayang. Itong face ko ngayon, hindi ito masigla noon. Napakasayang kasi this is my first ever dream na pupuntahan. Pero wala, hindi siya na tupad. But it's okay. Marami pa namang country dyan. In the right time. So I hope you get lesson from my vlog about it. And sa mga nagbabalak dyan, kung gusto nyo talagang dalhin ang spouse nyo doon, take the masteral. It may be costly, but at least you can bring your family or your spouse. Kasi pag diploma, hindi mo madadala yung spouse mo and it makes you hard to work. Siyempre, wala kang emotional na partner, 'di ba? So as for me, maybe it's not for us. As what I've said, I'm married, but I don't have a child yet. We're planning to have a child there, pero hindi natuloy. And it's okay to fail. It's okay to fail. It's okay to lose. At least you're still alive. Alright? Thank you for watching and I hope you subscribe this channel. Bye!